All right, guys, watch this video throughout its entirety and see if you can figure out the problem. Oh, this is one of those 3-hour drive call-outs that you don't want to take on a weekend. Signal's dark. Let's see what's going on over here. You can't see anything, but the breakers are all on. Nice to have use of a big bright flashlight here. Sometimes the hardest part is trying to find the disconnect in the breaker. I'm sorry, in the meter. Looks like it's way across this lake here, which is flooded. All right, I gotta find a way to get around there. Here we go. Found it. Let's see what we got here. Oh, we got power at the meter. All right, so we got utility power, and this feeds down to a disconnect. Bet you can squeeze this thing open and get in there. Yeah, that was easy. I got fuses. Okay, I need to go grab some and see if I can swap those out and get this thing going. Let's do a quick continuity test on my fuse here. All right, good continuity on this fuse. I can use this one. Let's see here, grab my, where's that? There it is. My fuse puller. All right, let's start with this first one here. Non-metallic, I'm sorry, non-conductive. All right, let's start with this first one here. Let's use this fuse puller, which is non-conductive. Pull this thing out. If I can get her in there. I'm on now. With pain. All right. Well, start there. So the first one. Let's get all the debris out of there. Here's the new one. Let's put this in. Ooh, okay. Bzz. Look over there. That light's flashing. Just gotta get this thing in here. All the way though. Come on, baby. Oh, jeez. Back in business. We're back in business now. It's flashing over there. We'll get that thing going here in just a minute. Huh. We just were flashing, then it went back out. So I'm guessing we blew a fuse again. Let me see what's going on here. Alright, guess I better grab my amp meter and my fluke and another fuse, and we'll see what's going on over here. All right, so I just blew that. So I'm gonna put an amp meter on the wire that's going to the signal side, because it looks like we're grabbing another wire and feeding down over to the sliding controller. I'm just wondering if that's causing an issue here. See if we can't isolate the problem. All right, let's just let's turn this on. All right, let's pull that back out. I had a wrong size fuse in there. That's not a good thing. Let's put the right size fuse in there. All right, let's see what happens this time. Okay, I isolated it. Interesting enough, when I put the fuse back in and fed it over to the signal, I had 106 amps on the line feeding over to the traffic signal. Don't know why I didn't even see these before. Interesting enough, we've got locate marks that feed down to the water and right over to that utility pole. Wonder why those are there for location. Wonder what was done here. Well, that's gonna be very hard to figure this out tonight, so I guess we'll follow this up tomorrow. Stay tuned. Well, for the time being, I disconnected the utility wires coming from the disconnect. We're gonna try to get this thing going with a generator, just to get us through the night. All right, guys. Well, we're back again a few days later. The contractor came down and did their fix. Now, you put your thinking cap on. What was the issue? You recall that we had several things that posed as potential problems. We had the disconnect with fuses that were blowing. We had a shared wire coming out of the one breaker going over to the lighting controller. We had the excess water, the flooding. We had locate flags. We had wires that were questionable. So, if you guessed that